is up, Lambros? It's a great day today, Super Bowl Sunday. So it's Sunday, and you might notice behind me, we've taken the wrap off the Lambo. The new wrap is coming, but for now, she's back to naked. What do you think? I just showed up at Jimmy's house. There's the Aventador. We're about to go have a little breakfast in our hometown of Sand Springs, America. But I wanted to make sure everybody saw the Lambo. Now, I don't think people remember how beautiful the green is. I know I didn't. As soon as I took that wrap off or saw a video of it or a picture, because Myron actually took it off at White Glove. Thanks, Myron. Oh my God, the green's beautiful. With those new Boston wheels. Dude, seriously. That Verde Mantis is just baller. And it's not even in the sun right now. It's not even in the sun. So today will be car shenanigans. That's today's video. We're gonna go have breakfast, but on the way, I will be filming James and his Aventador Roadster, and well, chasing him in this Lamborghini, and I'm sure that there will be some action. So stick around. We'll be back.
Teach me about fucking style.
All right, James just got here, and I have to get the start up. This thing's been sitting here cold, so it's gonna be deafening. Oh, it's got out of warm-up mode. Wow, that was crazy. Let's go get on the road and have some fun. All right, we're on the road. I'm in Strata. Better get sport. Whoa, we're gonna crash. So we're gonna head down. I thought I'd get some video of just listening to the Aventador from the point of view of the Huracan. Because when you have a buddy with an Aventador, that's all you hear is his car. You just hear it. You hear that thing just a popping? It's just popping. I know he's about to hit it. See all that sand? You see all that sand and rocks? Like there's literally rocks sucked in my window. Oh my God. I can't even like drive behind him. That is nuts, dude. So we're gonna go hit our breakfast spot down here called the Old Town Cafe, and Then I don't know what we're gonna get into for the rest of the day, but it'll be something. So stick around. Jesus, that thing is so violent. James, it's so violent. You can literally hear the percussion, like you can feel it hitting your chest and it bouncing off these windows.
Yeah, I know. I can
Oh
see
my
the
God.
glass rattling over
It
there.
like woke up the entire Old Town Cafe. So here we go. Woo! So, headed to Walmart to get the grandbaby some milks. They're gonna have to get about 6 gallons, and then when we get to Walmart, it's usually a car show because a lot of people come out to see the cars when we get to Walmart. So we'll roll in here and see what kind of excitement we create. We'll be back. Something's got to go on the dash. You know what? We'll put that right up there. And then here's James attracting the people. You don't understand how loud that is. Like when you're here in person, banging off of the windows. It's like banging. Listen to that. God, damage your ears. You can smell the fuel. Literally smell the fuel. We'll be back. Oh wait, I'm not gonna be back. Hold on. There it is. And then look, James.
Did you get one?
There it is.
Oh, but your window's so dark you can't
I
even
know.
see it. See, that's the
window tint.
beauty of not having window tint.
So, hey, we'll walk in here, right? And then I'm gonna leave the camera going just in case we get a reaction from someone, because when we walked into Old Town Cafe, the perfect guy was talking, and James was like, "You should have filmed that." I'm
Why
like,
when you have your
God,
camera on, you missed the whole
didn't
thing.
have it.